Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Iftikhar and today we're going to be talking about top 5 programming languages that you need to learn in 2020. I mean, you don't have to, but if you want to, or if you're forced to. But anyway, we're going to be ranking all these programming languages based on the following factors. First, how often does it get used? Second, the job market. Third, how easy is it to learn? And fourth, there isn't one. But I have a favor to ask. If you like videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Number 5, Java. Java is a great programming language. With Java, you can make all sorts of apps, from banking solutions to mobile apps and websites, but it's most popular for creating Android apps. There's a new programming language introduced back in 2011 called Kotlin, with which you can make awesome Android apps. That's why if you look at the Google Trends, Java is losing its popularity and it's going down. But there's still a lot of companies that are looking for Java developers. And an average salary for Java developer in the United States is $104,000 per year, according to Indeed.com. Number 4, Swift. Apple enthusiast, go for Swift. Swift is a programming language used in Apple products. With Swift, you can make iOS apps and put it on the Apple Store. According to Google Trends, Swift has been stable for the past 5 years. Sounds like it will stay around. And also there is a lot of resources available online for Swift. Average salary for a Swift developer in the United States is $126,000 according to Indeed.com. Number 3, SQL or SQL. Both are the same, by the way. People may argue that SQL is not a programming language, but honestly it doesn't matter. The reason I put SQL on third is because no matter what you work on, you'll have to deal with SQL at some point. For example, when you log into a website or a mobile app, you put a username and password. Where does it get stored? It gets stored in a database, and the language that you communicate with the database is called SQL. If you want to become a backend developer or full stack developer, you'll have to learn SQL. And according to Indeed.com, average salary for a SQL developer is around $80,000 per year. Number 2, Python. Python is a great programming language. It's very easy to learn. That's why in schools, Python is the first programming language they teach. Python is a general purpose programming language. You can use it to make websites, desktop applications, do data science, machine learning, AI. If you want to become a data scientist or do something in machine learning or artificial intelligence, Python is the way to go. Python has become more popular lately because of all these new stuff that the big companies are doing, like Tesla, Google, Facebook. And according to Indeed, average salary for data scientists in the United States is around $124,000 per year. Last but not least, drum rolls please, JavaScript. Hey, listen, let me explain. JavaScript is everywhere nowadays. You can make mobile applications not only for Android but also for iOS. You can make desktop applications not only for Windows but also for Mac. And there's new frameworks coming up every day. JavaScript is a very strong language. It's also very easy to learn. According to Stack Overflow's developer survey, JavaScript has ranked first. Average salary for a JavaScript developer is around $117,000 per year according to Indeed.com. If you want to become a front-end developer or make your own mobile applications or desktop applications or even work for a company that has hybrid apps, definitely go with JavaScript. Now, with all these great programming languages, what should you learn? The answer is simple, JavaScript. Because I'm a JavaScript developer. Just kidding. It really depends on What do you want to become? What are you into? If you're into machine learning, artificial intelligence, choose Python. If you're into iOS development, choose Swift. If you're into Android development, choose Java. Or if you want to become a front-end developer, choose JavaScript. There you have it. Thank you very much for sticking around with me. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button.